see Sketcher Workbench interface and general setting of the Sketcher Workbench. Okay, we will open the CATIA software. After that, we will intersect Sketcher Workbench. Okay, select the plane and click on the sketch command. After that, here, this is called a menu bar. This is called a compass. This is called a specification tree. Okay, this is called a default planes, and this is called a geometry axis. Okay, and these toolbars, all the toolbars are available on the taskbar. Okay, and now we will see general setting. Okay, first of all, select the tools. The tools option is available in menu bar here. Just click on it. Then after that, select the options. Okay, here the parameter and measure option is available in general option. Okay, just click on it, and here units. Here different units are available, so you can select required unit from here. Okay, and after that click OK. This is a general setting. If you want to restore the any toolbar, then how can restore the toolbar? Okay, let's see. Click on tools option. After that, select customize. Then customize dialog box is opened at here. Then select toolbars. After that, click on the restore position. Okay, then restore all contents. Okay, and then restore position and close. Then all the Sketcher toolbars are available on the taskbar. Okay, another way to open the restore the toolbars, just right click on the taskbar. Then customize option is here. Customize. Then select toolbars, restore position, restore all contents, and restore position. Okay, these are the two way of the restore the all the Sketcher toolbars. Okay, in next tutorial we will see all the Sketcher toolbars. Okay, thank you.